So a couple of days ago, one of the founders of XAI, the company behind the new chatbot Grok, posted a thread detailing Grok's UI features. So let's go over those features and see what we discover. So Grok lets you have several conversations in one window. That's a big change from what I'm used to with ChatGPT and Google Bard, because right now if I want to talk about different things, I have to open new tabs for each one. And let's not even start on how many times I've had everything crash on me when I've got too many tabs open. It can be a real headache. So with Grok, being able to switch between chats in the same tab could save a lot of time and hassle. I think that this is also going to be one of those features that push people from using Google Bard and ChatGPT to using Grok, because it's so much more user-friendly and saves a lot of time. So here's another interesting feature that I found from the UI. It has a search function. It's a simple tool, but it could save a lot of time and make it easier to get back to important parts of your chats. I think that this is also going to be one of the features that push people from using Google Bard and ChatGPT to using Grok, because it's just so much easier. So it seems they're rolling out something called Fun Mode alongside the standard regular mode. So regular mode is going to be something like your typical chatbot experience to get things done, answer questions and that sort of thing. But Fun Mode hints at more laid back interaction, perhaps even games or some creative tasks. So Grok is also planning to add a feature that lets you put your chats into folders. And right now, if you use ChatGPT or Google Bard, your conversations are in a big list on the left side of the screen. But with this feature, you'll be able to make folders for different topics you talk about, like work, school, or vacation ideas. And this way you can go back to those conversations quickly, even if they took place a long time ago. I don't actually know if it's going to be available right in the beta version or in a future version, but this guy, who's one of the founders of XAI, who's behind the Grok, confirms that it's in their plans and it's going to happen. So there's also going to be integrated VS Code editor. So when you're chatting in Grok and you get a piece of code and click on it, it pops open in Grok's VS editor. So I think you can edit the code right there in the chat, which is pretty convenient. Plus you've got folders to keep your code organized and the powerful search function to pull up any old code from the chats in a snap. If I'm getting this right, it looks like you'll be able to take any of Grok's responses and branch off from it, creating response tree. It's like exploring different pathways from a single point in the conversations without losing your place. You could ask follow-up questions or explore different angles and then switch back and forth between those branches. They're also mentioning some kind of commands to make this easier, so that could mean keyboard shortcuts or something similar. So solid tool for digging deeper into topics without getting lost in the chat history. That's it. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you soon.